The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Wa from Mokwan Atroni na je wa from Mokwan Minti na oba de san wachina menchan ade e wonit na bia hello etie for mediani patience nyakom de bia no pa bia metie kwa bna costi he se won tie na wa from Mokwan tight
Nido don't know kind in
baby we tree
ukawali mwakai ukanito
emma uremfi wajinko
onya medaranwa
another day we do baby we tree
ukawali mwakai ukanito
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
And I'm a homo brasso, no video yamoa. So Yamede was a che, a camp Quantanaya. Can we say any one want you? A radina, yeah. Young man, also no brother, so no brother was no mother, so. Another day, what do baby ever trade? Ukawani Makai, Ukanito. And I'm a homo brasso, no video yamoa. So Yamede was a che, camp Quantanaya. Can we say any one want you? Ready Yamena, yeah. Your money was no Benasio, no Brennan was no Manasu. Yamia, they were the baby, we pray, Okawani Makai, Okanito. And Mauram Fiu Yamio.
Uyamidaranwa.
Another day were the baby, we pray,
Okawani Makai, Okanito.
And Mauram Fiu Jinko.
Uyamidaranwa.
Another day were the baby, we pray,
Okawani Makai, Okanito.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Nyami be eya shewude if you say obraya ku nti fa Yesu yonku fa wa shehu wansa no ano be kosu nyami be yeah tinkwami ani da sonya sai
Kosu have a blessed day.
Nyami be yeah tinkwami ani da sonya Nyami be swama anka kwasi ada sore suni ho eni onyamwa eni amba kosemu yana eni na so nanso kitwa nyamensa unu yesi kesia bonsa meshwaso eti kosuana kosu ndira so muya fiada mani unswama anka kwesi ada sore suni ho eni onyamwa eni amba kosemu yana eni na so nanso kitwa nyamensa unu yemposi kesia bonsa mdia chekwa eti kosuana kosu ndira so muya Pasua, pasu,
Onyami be,
Isayati kwami,
Anida sonya saye.
Pasua, pasu,
Onyami be,
Isayati kwami,
Anida suwa mobia. Keep on keeping on. Keep on keeping on. Keep on going, keep it on.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Heartfelt blessing.
Radio Papa. Thank you.
Me
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Pabna Question.
tie Kwabena Costi. I want Henkan FM 93.3. Please.
With Thanksgiving, I'll be leaving sanctuary for you. Lord, prepare me to
The
be
mid-morning show. The
sanctuary.
mid-morning show. Have a blessed
Yahweh
day.
holy, try and do with thanksgiving.
I'll be leaving sanctuary
For you, Lord, hey,
prepare me.
the sanctuary. Yahweh holy, try and do with thanksgiving.
Mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And this song was actually my favorite song back in Sunday school. And I'll be able to know way. Oh, Sunday school pan the out to new wavy. Right, so it's a Tuesday. And time check in the studio, the Zali 39 after 10. Higher Henkan 93.3 FM. A Juma no also goes out to your friend, Jenny, me champion boat in the Cosmos. Over to me from a Kwabena Costi. Over to me from a Branty Pod, the perfect gentleman. Over to us from a Jabruz money. A man and one from the Quaps. Winnie side, winnie side, the winnie side. I am on the winnie side all the time. We are on the winnie side. Hey, winnie side, winnie side. We are on the winnie side all the time. Win a man, 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 win a man. Win a man, 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 all the time. And of course, I am a winner man. And be assured, say also Sunday school. Try. Eva. I will sing a baby Moby Archibia, Madam Henkan 93.3 of FM. Now they say sometimes words said by the mouth, another thought said by the heart.
I am on the winning side, the winning side, the winning side.
And yes, I do believe
The winning side all the time.
that sometimes some people will be through and over.
Winning side, the
But John wants say,
winning side. You are
then I'm a kind,
winning side, the winning side.
then I'm yeah. And a critical example is what is happening between Will Smith and Chris Rock.
I am in the winning team, the winning team, the winning team. I am
will share my motivational message in the GV.
winning team all
I find Jack say upon command this winning team.
in the winning shirt, the winning shirt. Because I am in the winning church, the winning church.
And yes, I'm about to one day. I mean,
The winning church, winning church.
because some of the money me and a year Juman
We are
24/7.
church,
A year Juman is
time.
it's my min chia Brad David,
Winner man,
the chia Pasco, Bright Weezy,
winner man,
Stagger 1,
winner man, all.
MP3, Raouf,
Winner man, winner man, winner man, winner man, winner man, winner man,
Tanko, we are taxi driver,
winner man,
Obama, we are taxi driver, Medeshia Michia, Super, Obatampa Jonathan, and Opevicha Ricardo, who's a taxi driver. Me find check a sian come Mr. Orbin. I send the phone in any back up and I salute the Gambia. Very man quine. Oh, I send it.
able to go up and take
42 after 10. Also go south here Henkai 93.3 FM. Ebusia Bema Wakwaba. And then the kind now do for the art one me patch higher Henkai FM. Sure we tell your friend Juma Voice now tells your friend Kobena Costi. Me producers Akosia de Padumas.
We are able
DJ Shabu
take that crown.
or Heneba and so the eco social media.
It's the land from Jordan to the sea.
I try to my journey show no live on Facebook at Henkai 93.3 FM.
Our God will surely give us victory.
And I bet me there were SMS and so far 05948200. Sorry, 0594841044. Me the WhatsApp on the corner fra 0594841044. 0594841044.
The righteous side of God.
Right, so happy belated birthday to a man like Brante Patruzo.
To the righteous side of
Brante Patruzo.
my sister. To the righteous side. Move on to the righteous side. Move on to
The righteous side of God.
brother.
If I just said, what more building the birthday now?
Move on.
Now I send you about Nia wishing to come up.
God to the righteous side of God.
And I wouldn't be a whole program, so yeah. Weekend, yeah. Now, if you would have bounced for that, I didn't need to. Right, say, Yanko Pong, Ayaduma. On the 2nd of April, Mr. and Mrs. Ofosu, I'm not talking about the Mr. and Mrs. Ofosu on the 2nd of April. I'm not talking about the Miaminipa. Colors. Guys, start here. And Yanko Ponyadoma, Otto, anybody, Refaland Hotel, at Chongmanso, and upon 8 near Shazia, Sabapa. Shadow 4. I invite you to be some brand of a Color Studio. And as a color, Colors, the CEO of Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. On the wife, Mr. and Mrs. Ofosu. See ya, fine, yeah. Naminara, Bikuni, Beba. See ya, fine, yeah. Naminara, Bikuni, Beba. Oshabo Blasters about Friday, no. Ekoyepa. And then, Nigeria for my dream, some of the Kenya was a see a coin, yeah. When I'm in Ara, we could name Beba.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
When I'm in Ara. Ekuni
course in kunim die free asafo Ewurade nchen. Kunim die free asafo Ewurade nchen. Abusua ma motivational message. My motivational message now for yan to show no so 93.3 FM. Yan fire crash asem embra our daily dose of motivation. Yan famra no pay. Shadow say Color Studios and Digital Embroidery and so ya say my bro motivational message no pay bia. And no pay bia your bro yan crash asem. Our daily dose of motivations or our daily dose of vim, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. If I just say a wedding photography, birthday photography, studio photography, picture frame, passport picture, I do need to our Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And our for embroidery works and so school crest, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery. In fact, embroidery worker, need the whole. Na ehun so ehun tew kire bibia de na kwam kama pa brother weka bibia ja tum se yanko aye de na efe papa pan enya abotres ni ayama eduro nyumra hu se to kire Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. I watch more than Liberty Transport, Hope Seat, Kinop Pharmacy. Beno 0245276638. 0245276638. Nasa Shannon Somami said, Nakopon Eyadoma on the 2nd of April. On the 2nd of April. Or 20 body around Riverland Hotel. I watch Manso. And upon 8, and you shall see. H. Michelle, Shannon Suye Pan for my end. Then Nakopon Yadoma, Color Studio and Digital Embroidery for CEO. Or to anybody. On the way, it's a Busiama with Mr. and Mrs. Ofosu said, Come home, Bejaum, Yaman in your friend. Now, young call your daily dose of motivation is all. Great victory can follow a shocking defeat if there is positive persistence and a patience. I never say never keep the hope alive. See, this motivational messages. So this morning, they were saying, it is for the Black Stars. No, it's not for the Black Stars. So great victory can follow a shocking defeat. Great victory can follow a shocking defeat if there is positive persistence. And see, let me just say this. It is what it is, yeah, a life. So if you say what drew where we are, unya betre, ema some of your things you do. Eya say na me ehira we. Eya say wonsa ka nyama bɔ ho mpae na we. Eya say nkunimdie no wonsa aka we. You say never. Bibi etimisi. And then I would din kunim and then I was a candy. I was sure was a for and then I was a dear bonhum payacha. Mepajo. Make sure say over to 2 ye. Over 90 a papa so. On chian for baby. Because in kunim dieno, a bit me than defeats. As you'll be surprised. Shocking defeat, pa. What you say? It is in kunim die bi accounts me pacho e ma wotri nya wo de bebre man chiacha wo ho e ma trimude no emfa won ko ba bi ani kwan se wo. It is life, it happens, and I'm the kind it is what it is, because sometimes we trim to me your dama e nyoma bi ani kwan se wo ye kra na wo ye, because if you say me ane me a me share obi a wonyeska young boy a wonyeska na okasa pani enim anyhow, young boy a nyame bie kwan ama no na enne sika ba ne nsem na okasa kire pani bi a sabio enni ne ho me kire sika fam okasa kire anyhow, forgotten say sika na ba ne nsem ne no betimi ahwere no, forgetting say and condemn cry and no betimi ahwere no. Obi fi say ende me na mete so enti obi aye less ende me na mete so ejino me ntie ni pa bi asem obi kra timi yeye na ne wura fi na chi bebi ofri obi timi yeye na ne wura fi kra se ebusua me firi mu no nanka ya hojo obi kra timi na ne wura fi kra se ofi humble family mu ebusua ofri mu no etetena hombrase ya kwan so but wa masika na di nanim enti o kasa kire obi anyhow ofa buo ni die man wo mo atwa se ode mo wom the referee say table no etimi tene table no etimi dane me pacho asema me ka chiro yi ene ma shada pan me yi we ne free mu ehia me pan se ende ena nyoma koyi amawa tuto wakwan yi hwe wano kasa yi hwe bebi awota tra di nkomo no hwe hoye bebi awota tra e ka won se no hwe hoye adanfo ado ho amom hwe ho ye wo mo sa adanfo ado ho abo mo nya adanfo mo tu efopa misro it is better you quit that friendship because the table ne tenia one day you will come begging obia okaseti animri bi atwam the table ne tenia one day just one day table betimi atene say never say never unya nyankopon unim ne besi wo wonim humbleness is the key ahomaso de say kana ahomaso sa hamaso pride pride the nipa ko ba bia any kwan say de uko please enye chinchina chan say you be brought up in a Christian home or something no enye sa say atitu ewo Christo fie o say atitu no mama ka twini say atitu onyame mu kra ahombrase de ewo say bia be ko bia edi wonim edi wochi because this area na ewom no bibia betima shock you everything can take you by surprise I tell you no lie everything can take you by surprise so please Fasha would dream and it's a great victory ewo homo nipa bia but defeat is also there you can defeat so if you are winning today you make sure say over show on your mind so the table won't turn. Good morning. Electronics. About just about fridge, TV, deep freezer, gas cooker, blenders, washing machine. About your brand kind FM premises here. Be who could about for fine gentlemen. But just sometimes with mission to my trousers not about that. Any problem. I don't have a pan. About your be who is say no pay. Now for come be who be an in no man so ne board that form ne boy for. Wait me twan kranga copy so betwe wi wait me afre 0550900600 0550900600 na nim telephone komo best man capsules ya memedro best man capsules I memma edro waist pain sexual weakness premature ejaculation low sperm count our best man capsules ni bi memma bia I was so see mutimi yading now see me boy juma see me 3 points plus 3 goals what I say it's a watch you said rabo so me pharmacy that can make a watch more than Ochiniba Kennedy drugstore LB Amwa Folk office always and I feel for our drugstore in Frodia for Gaps pharmacy the light pharmacy and Akede Mountain Kumi Mr. Song and a Harry Pale chemical Extra pharmacy be a try who shall potema be a call when our best man capsules ni be at 0244966043 0208288099 best man capsules be you marry my Eddie. Amaje Aba Clinic. See infertility na ye. Na ye bra no ntu ase. What do you say? Senya wase wo pese onya ba. Onya nana. To the nice so. Wo mo de atete wache. So se bra no mbo a. Onto infertility asema. Oba be ma obebo typhoid, ulcer, syphilis, gonorrhea. Then na brana onto asema so de wo yarebia in fact etete yarebia kan wato for match yarebia amase be waye mobo amaje se bra no onto yare na sen fama na so de wo ho amaje wa chimoda ani abo nkwan tempo so Red Cross Junction opposite Evergreen Gas Filling Station. 0244877840 0205045665. Dokuna Dr. Aisha Boho. Obo ejuma pa Dr. Aisha obi aja to Dr. Aisha Boho ejuma. Obo ejuma pa. Doc. Dr. Aisha michi awachi. Na mam sencha ba kon kan Dr. Aisha. Good morning. Success says, you thought my mother give me this morning, Pam. God bless you for that. Success says, I'm a motivational message. I'm out and then I'm missing you. Newsy says, this your message, dear. It's too deep. Thanks a lot for sharing, bro. Thank you, challenge. I'm missing so. Higher Henkai 93.3 FM. Over to no message about 0594841044. 0594841044. Me do first message now for Facebook. Higher Henkai 93.3 FM. Over Facebook now for message I'm making come out. Shabu my uncle Tom the amra. Ya ba say na ya banada. Right, name good music, right? So, Busha, your bass is here, higher Henkai 93.3 FM, Covina Costa, Branty, part of perfect gentleman. I don't want to show no. Now, when you say, Mamma Casa Saturday, no, 3 music hours, no, 90 and not show no, na, Bad Life Kakra, na call of Kakra. I don't pay me, I mean, I've had the opportunity to listen to Sadiq, and I said that no, because it was, a temporary hold up and thing. So, I spoke to one of the board members who happens to be my friend, Mimbonidin. He was like, "Governor, I sure say someone masturbated before coming." I said, how? I said, yeah, Charlie. This thing, you do it sometimes it happen. I can't dream. Or see it, you know. Or no, I sure say will be masturbated as an or buy Jumana. It's the man show the yes, sir. Now I'm saying, let me give this warning to my producers. If any of them ever try this thing, no more say a show in my end. Shabo. Or Heneva. Komike. At the point in the only hand to the Yamiasi. Mumu try I ever say a show my one day. What the good answer about there? Your boss is here.
Ghana Kuafue, Adama West Africa, Adwuma, Adama West Africa, agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, Kuafue to Nebia, influate me Jimofu Nina at the bosso, Nititu any esre, say esre Najua Fua Bossodia, and an American for Agile at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Enkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, esre Nefifu fra Ebano, Agile, no first spray, esre Swanson, wet to a quakutim, and as I would wet him per now the Agile, a spray, esre Nina so, Shannon, Mema. Esreni nyibebre ansa na de agile akwaku spray so de hia say obehwe 10 tomatoes enketo ano no ahye ba akopedi egu kafukafu afidie yimu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma say wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhirani a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no akuefo mo nso dua bibi ti say beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekunfue na se prekope edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se enfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na say wo de spray so pe ubetu enfue na se nyina wo to vezil a wobetimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils anase obesusu atre ye dididie no miensa na wodi nsuo 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina anase wobefre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana Ekuafo ye jimudi
Manyamadi day what the best one is
say dear me fear higher dem me kuna your best man
say dear mania jampa esa ne best man capsules amensaka no enua hini haba mani ndu time papa bi ene dia ye best man capsule enti free neko best man capsules enti mema nyina ye free say yes sisi yade
ye best man capsules
say be ma wa ho ode abafo ana wanya premature ejaculation
best man
say ye low sperm count ana be ma ontime nyuso yi prostate cancer ana syphilis ne gonorrhea enam yare bia
oh best man
ne testicular cancer and penile cancer best man capsules to us yesia enti member ye free best man capsules do papa is Chad Herbal Center Omuosuhum Hansa Street and the best man capsules abajaso enti we ye bema entra ho ma ya die mu bia eni unya da obo adwuma ama wo yama omo said ya medie eji miswe ubanya bia to e ba bia to nro bia
Ekoko Owuskobi Pharmacy BB Chemicals Ebenezer Chemical Shop Hillside Pharmacy Fab Drugstore Empire So ASM Pharmacy Enyinam Agboko Drugstore Achimodan LB Amuafu
Ochiniba Drugstore Amuafu Drugstore Tumesi Drugstore Kennedy Drugstore Kofisco Drugstore Anafi Always Drugstore Kade Martin Kumi Drugstore New Abrim Hotness Chemical Shop
Koforidia Gapsin Pharmacy and Delight Pharmacy Accra Case Walk Heba Kumasi Kolinak Heba
and now to phone friend 020 82 88 099 Best Man Capsules you marry my head Amanfui, Sunday Watcher say, when you remember Dini, now you may defoni. Anunti Prophet Dr. Jonas Afum, Yabone Mrane Ekase, Odi for Magra, Ayebrimu, Tredia Ponyanko Pomba Sayadom, Ayina Maye, Omna May, every year how any Yamani, Ono, and Radiana, Wada Safwa, Yafrano, City of Shiloh Prayer Center, Wodifui Ababe PM, Awo, Eastern Region Patemha, Efiada Numlebia, Nunsia Pepe. Ekosi anwumre nonkron ana yeshia awo akem abu Pentecost wo Yehowa behwew fie ho pe sala nso na adeakye a eye Saturday adopa no nsia kosi anwumre nonkron odifo atenase ana ye friend special council one on one wanu hia kawasam kire no na wurade nam ne so anyi wo emfamfiri awase wo hu your year of destiny number sala nso na wo destiny color ana wo destiny angel o sabre adwuma e wasa wo ye ene o sabre bofo a e wasa odi wachi enu nti na wiye mire nyankopon ayi odifo magra adona maye efiada nwumre bia odifo akasa e wa ahenkan 93.3 FM so anwumre no ndu kopim du baako obetimi ni odifo magra adi nkomo e wa ahoma yi so 0244 575 200 freno na wone no eni ensawoso na awurade benam ne so City of Shiloh's Prayer Center.
Draw on the 2nd of April 2022. Golden City Park. And you wrap your jersey with family.
Akimodan, I'm also there. Neko family in Yankopon Aduma on the 2nd of April. Wrap your jersey. Golden City Park. Family may rap life. Watch out. Blessings from the Most High. Trust.
Sada no brabesha was one number swap. Girls, boys, sisters, brothers. Yesham Ewo Golden City Park. And Brian Ghana's number 1. Family and party big time park. Wrap your jersey. Man, I was supporting. So just for your family and party big time park. Mom Kaina Shannon so you're free. I mean, won't you ask Kabia? You're free. And so Jessica, Yesham Golden City Park. DJ Rich Boy and you're back to MCs. The Hitman and I feel microphone go. And to tell a friend say on the 2nd of April 2022, Golden City Park. And one day boss, and you rap your jersey. This event is sponsored by Wambe 77 and V8 Liquor. For information, call 0244 668288.
Hey, Obama, me say me who cry during me. Hey, yes, could be obedient one dance at you. And then as a sammy by a brother. So what you was in so here, tra. Nasa wun cha, Bomadi na copiumu.
Hey, Nasuku Benquano.
A great Omega Academy.
Great Dien.
Great Omega Academy. And the Chilquan walk of Phobia Kukran to me. A premante muheya.
Sir?
pwe mantem he ya. Number da ben.
Oba bra Mrs. Sukui e ba ye enyene. Se wo na wotutwa so nko ade wo kyerɛ so hwe a wotwa. Omoye courses ni bi te say general arts, visual arts, business, home economics, general science and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie. E mane nyi wadwendwe Sukuu no wo hostel kese e wo no de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me kɔ hɔ no men.
Ewra ji pani kwa kyerɛfo ne number na friend na gi mu nkyerɛmu. Eye 0243 21 4720 ana 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa will nipa and Yina etimi banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy a home buying every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na de fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 and ama efia e hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. And wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Banzo ne nanse nkwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina ase no bia papepata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
anu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
ban womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudi ni body say
JA Binding and Co Limited.
Me drew ho sesia.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed.
Hello, Ghana. This is your first Carolina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena
Get on up in a yeti,
True lovers in the ghettos. I say order of a uno mumbia. Go tinko.
Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love.
My baby girl says she's solely living the life for me. She can do without me. I'm her source of energy. She says I'm the only one, bright in the morning like the sun. No matter the situation, she won't trade me for any man. Sometimes I love them make me wonder. Oh my God, the things she they do them make me ponder. Empty the background and shower all day. I seem to ask again and again. And yet the answer so I think we do it extra my drink. The bonny tutuo ya chana bufuo ya dini sutuo sadi obesuro na kuma prim o dini trim o hi mo don't you see the otimano team we like Siamese twins dangerously inseparable now calling Gary and beans deliciously palatable my heavenly made bride we go like Bonnie and Clyde yeah.
Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love. I wonder where she got this kind of loving from. I wonder why she perfect and never do no wrong. Oh, my empress, you my sunshine. Get a girl like you, my lifeline. When I got nothing, she was there for me, bought for me, paid for me, very softy, never bought with me. Once they telephone, get rapping. She had the type who never been to university. What a kind of love, got a whole diversity. She stopped and packed with morality. She saw high versatility of love. In the cup when you know no is in my love. My empress, she love me, so she gon' give me some more. In the cup when you know no is in my love. My empress, she love me, so she gon' give me some more.
Tomorrow say won't watch me or don't kind. Some me sum pa would done in me high. When they make kira and they makuma, when they mean tuma and they make kuma, would not be my dinina. When they may be a singing now. When they make kira and they makuma, when they mean tuma and they make kuma, would not be my dinina. When they may be a singing now. Samikai, me won't send for my account. A friend to me kai, me won't tear them for a wenya. And go for a basic for a bash, you care on me. Against if I try, against if I try, and so I go see I go.
Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. Get some love. It's not you. Get some love.
Brothers, Bama Usia was Pame Bama Opia Koto. Now, Opia Koto. Freddy Bama Huapo. Shake, Bama Opia Bosso.
Now
Your fancy, I see you by your dear. What on the power, what is the beast is in the trim said, just a ding, I guess I guess I dear. Madonna Tintin, money, him, Bassa, dear. Oh, in Simon, no, I think, talk about what, yeah. I never try to scale a bomb on a mommy when praying. I'm in one more too much in my bread. Maybe I hope a prayer, they could to swear. Now, Mistress, I will be a dear, yeah. Maybe I would say an end to us, yeah. Said the way that to be a benefit, yeah. A woman semi swam in Nimakuma say, yeah. At the painting, I miss Sumakuma. Me who shake gram of one, yeah. So men came and he wanted Timatuma. Madonna Mama, and yeah, come on, my name Soja.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Pascaline, and I'm tuning to Kabna Quest.
Mania painting and the matrimonial tints and mom pole veins. Some say, dear, who offend quetchy, quet your bed, dear, mini common sense. Some ya pass out, see, I sure don't Jimmy move your chair, false pretense. Tima who say, you may be bonny and I'm a common what to make him a near punch. Or do me see the pen pain, you do rough road and you can say, we see the pen pain, can you pen girl, mama can't care, why not you jump 10. But tell me down what you ask your mouth, cash and the dean, I'm a patch in my damn phone chain. Meet your man, the castle, oh, brass stone, one can we see a bronze sign. Mean, yeah, that about, that no point that no, that a man. Come on, mama, you got a man. You'll be kind of laugh and you got a man. The motive when they show a kala hala. Pama kuma to a jana now, guara guara. Me don't, I'm said the malam don the sala. Me came a dollar, name a kuma betcha or the color. So you'll be free, so move if ya. They won't want to summon and I know so. This don't be saying, yeah, me for one night.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline, and I'm tuning to Kabna Quest. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline, and I'm tuning to Kabna Quest.
so 28 after 11. I think kind 93.3 FM Wasugu Sauti. Mami fine check is here pine come hallelujah mother care. Hallelujah mother care. Good morning to all the workers at Hallelujah Mother Care. Now for me fine check is here so come rejoice if you are being and a JD and Kwala mo to say JD aging and as I say JD typing na JD swag kitchen Kwala na. I'm sorry but to say JD Kwala I'm sorry no offers no swag still be oh I did you wash me Baba me can't turn the answer. Me told me I'm a tonyo, and then me cried. Me Tuesday bia. Adia obi mpena me ye. Me cried there be adia obi mpena me ye. And I will cancel na me ye no more. Adia obi mpena kwa na me ye me cried. Me ya ye di na tie. What come here? You pray warning. A warning advance to Kofobi. I'm only one. I'm a crowd of years. I'm a 20 a come 7 to my 20 minutes. It's in the imbus of our mixture. A friendly police in your draw. Police in your draw. Police in your draw. Patch on immune booster papa. My immune system in your one na ya kono na ya rebia so intimate now ho de e imboost help make sure police in your draw misro ya rebia tete ya rebia na ho aje wo ha se woni su chinwo ase wonu mato ntumi ne di wo ha se wo ya re wa basa bibi basa bia me pato tie ne ye pa immune system no ena ya yamre ye di pedua yi so say immune system ya me pe and I just 6 feet answer. Me patch on copy. Imbusa oba make sure police in here do any bi na no no. Me nya ho den na boosting immune system no. Na de ho. Pharmacy bi akwa benya bi atho. 0246208496 and 0540710113. And I name the phone din come so here. Nyakopon ya my first April. First April. Yeah, be a clean up exercise. And now for communal labor, our Achim Abuabo Deba grounds. We Achim Abuabo Royals Association. And there's some phantom members in the name say. Yame Yadoma. Yeah, be a Juma. Be here messing for carpenter for. Wait me am painting a cross or yabra. For man, I'm over to me, my one and twins so my and some umbra. Yamopa. And she has to be our part of Achimababo Royals Association. Say, do her, menu who free. Messieurs, there were grounds when I feel so a bubble bus stop. Yaba stop one. Messieurs, there were grounds was now higher fair. Now so be came a concrete, we came a Kumas, Coferbian, the was Ababuna Medruno. Abwanga sa de higher guy, what does it? Adia ba kwa meninje ho abwabu se dwaneria. Ya be kasa ya pon adwuma kom na be de ya gese afoka ko ye vie. Ya kom sa. Adia ba ko pe shimi wo kroma no. Apart from no bibia wo kroma bia me yada. Ai bibia. Ana grandma me boa. Grandma. Grandma me boa na usu asese come di me pamento biscuit in we ya say. Pepa Choya Jessica. Your contributions. Boabo Royals Association. Pepa Chop Panty yes, I won't out there. Number near Jane, I had 10 times this year. Was a son of honor, Cogan and Chen, Cobra and Chen now send them out this year. If you want to send the phones, calling and send them out 0553 715406 0553 715406. It is 0553 715406. Now for a what's in the Chegum. Fix Arabella ointments. Fix about 4 products. Fix Arabella ointments. Nanteman Pro Skin rashes. When I'm in the new sansa about your pebisra. I'm already not thought so come upon. Fix about 4 1 crying and then Takatamazo. Woman on my fix mala mixture, malaria draw, fever, headache, dizziness, cold, general body pains. We draw your fix mala mixture. I bet 2 a pound the amount. Now what do home? Now you're ready to tell how about the po. Away, that's right. Now fix man capsules. Fix man capsules. I am Memedro. Fix man capsules has scientifically tested and ensures immune benefit through regular use for the general being. And your man patrol. If you want to be strong in bed, and yeah, I recommend you fix man capsules. If it's recommended for the general man vitality, waist, and also back pain. Shra Copebito, Obaya Bema, Obejana Nazo, Abicola, or Evergreen Gas Filling Station. Abicola, Nedro, no my fixed man capsules. Now Shabe Martian and Sisi, Georgia. One no Mundrona, or John Socran and Drone to Toto, but the Tata, one war becho Babadi and Georgia. Oh, yes, Indrona Buano, fix man capsules, fix mala mixture, fix Arabella ointments, Ningana, fix about Fuendro. The batch of was 0208444442 and 0302902071. Hachimoda, both chemical. I watch him on the main love station. You go for one Abenya Biato. And I feel so pharmacy drugstore try and wish I was the hangina. Not fix server. Now, Manuaba. Eba, Sile, me se me crowd there be adia obi mpena meye enti se me ye na waka 170 e baba Sile Are you ready now? Okay, that's right. Eba, shake that. Shake that. Alright, so let's do this right about now. Folks, I go by the name coming across the Eba. That's right. Hey, that's right. Are you ready now? Hey, why you ready? Oi, say. Okay. That's right. Okay, because you say that's right. Hey, are you ready? Okay, Only possible like a transformer. What there was something I'm like an informer. That's what here one performance. And the Kuma Joanna Sekunko Joe. And the wash it at the Japawa Joe. Hypocritical industry players hoping to ridicule you. Hey, do that in the Kumu Yesu. Yawo Kumu no soon. One day you hot, next day you're not. Assuming 50 years, I'm never getting caught. I'm bold on the tracks, the king of the airwave. Oh my shy shit. Oh my you fire sir. I'm gonna want some mina man. What trouble do? That's who are you? What do you do? Ah, the problem yeah. Ah, the Bako, ah, ni benye, ni balanye, brana moshe, ah, ni benye,
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Ah, ni benye, eba, say. Okay. Hey.
Jack,
now to check with your man for. Wow. I'm seeing the match, right? Yes, we are coming. Come on, yeah. Father, sir. What's the master? Pray for me. I'm the very one for Chinara. And such a jumbo. Coming away, be pink. Obulaya, Kansawo. Oh, Costa Sevilla. A babamo, Matiana Samono. Before Chevy puts you on your way. Ah, if I'm there. Alright, so if today happens to be your birthday, happy birthday going out to you. And there I was that. Go point shout. No, Cassiapa. Like I say, you share the same birthday with Nana Ado Dankwa Ekufu Ado.
See me coming. You said
so he's a Ghanaian politician who served as the president of Ghana since 7th January 2017. And in 2020, he was re-elected for his second term, which will end on 6th January 2025. It's Nanado, the president, ECOWAS chairman. Again, the birthday is 78 today. The president, the Republic of Ghana, is 78 years today. And they had the birthday. And another birthday. Andrew will catch him and say I should stop radio and go and be a pastor. And then so I should stop radio and take music very serious. Okay. Hey. I love this energy. Someone actually wants me to rap. Let me rap on the Ayana Bakona. They go so truffle from. Some instrumental and I'm Bakona. Okay, why are you ready? Okay, Tete. Right. So I go by the name Kobina Kosti. A brand for the perfect gentleman. Seba. Okay, Shall be talking my word on for a couple of years. After Cobenama Saba, fresh in your ears. Then I will pay. Cook and a beer. Can I rent a man cause he can never say. Trust me, watching now be tree cola. Busako for my Joe, me and my Frida. Ning in Covenant, that's a I'm so sorry. Forget the past, I made you so worry. My summer back and fat before sorry. My Indian Covenant for them begging. Oh, Chavo Charlie. Fachari, Vinya Basa, Facha, Vinya. Okay, my mama calling different. What's the Africa? The me Jimmy Dean was a 10-ton take that my wood chili. Oh, Sarah, Benamia versus. Inti asa me shadan kai bi. But I am one pound. Na siya so na me rabu ku mi hu bebia me di tu bi. Ba me ko we me kai enko. Ti me kai. Costi Africa da me Jimmy Dean was a 10-ton take that my wood chidi in. Chadi in na fantasy za uli za costi. I be the G, shall salute to my master. Hey. Why call under your pastor? Boy, you the B was it? Hey, Murphy, Charlie. I could see the Padu masses in the building. Are you ready now? Are you hey. Mommy, you me find a rap. Okay, I go say where the baby about trim me catch me find a rap. Where the baby about trim me catch me. Where the beer. Lele. Okay, T. What you say lele? Me offer to be in lele. Me offer to the ama lele. Me start penny ba like the last born. If na ama lele. Na no ye piti.
Same you be kan.
If na ama lele. Onya 2 years to start so ye piti. I'll go for years this year. I see lele. Debbie. Mami for. Mama well for. But I met you with the rhyme in the uncle. Mama well for. Eddie. Okay. At the power. Okay. Posty. Yes, me pay at the papa. Yes, so be the one man. Me card the cra and your papa. Oh yeah, okay. Then I'm for. Yeah, I'll pass watch. I'm for. Oh, the for.
That's not the party. Go for the bread.
Okay, me card on the obi say papa. And then mama the for. Then I go attend in my French. Je suis then
at the pampo nanti find na je suis.
There be person me hu back no.
Me am satare ka me he.
French.
And if I Dumas here.
Dumas akosia de okay.
Dumas. Okay.
Enya yeti Croman yeti Jocelyn Dumas is a good actress. Jocelyn Dumas their journey come back and sing but sing. Jocelyn Dumas, or a good actress. Jocelyn Dumas, dear, or your favorite. Jocelyn Dumas, dear Joe. Okay, I could see Adepa Dumas. Wasasha and Tomabia, then Dumas. Was shut up with your them. Je suis extraordinaire, not just say, oh, yeah, extraordinaire.
I know we are.
Si for me uncle
Hey.
Mama know the super.
Now wanna see that you radio na kwaya rap on.
Obi na mama message say.
Ka solo cry.
Obi na mama message say send more talent no. Minja na menko ye.
Enka ye kwaya solo ne ye. San say me kai last year mu baby. Na ye hye nkom e wo program yi so. Ye hye nkom e boa. Na ye preachi. Ye ka Bible masem. Oni nyina na ye ka wa ha ntia no de obetimi aye no so de sika wo mpa azan na na ewo so ntia ba na yedi nti sofudie ndie no bepoa e chan nyomo no
na who said nim rap nti unti ase.
Oh, me nim rap kra na.
Me intro you freestyle.
Na so bit enya haya na mo ye showbiz 933. Nti omo me freestyle ha ntibi.
Omo nye freestyle, omo de omo atro fifi na ba.
Oh, what me ka se me di eyi ba ku yi kra na mo ye ne fia dai.
Okay, yenko. Okay. Yeko ya ho.
Kwabra twa. What that twa me ba? Say wo ya rap see no. Wo se o matro. Wo rap ba ku see SHS. Eno kura refi.
No kura no cha.
Acha say. Okay. Wo bitimi kai rap ye no.
Okay ti. Posty Africa the mema Jimmy Dean was it in tonte or no asem na show no enye radio friendly ntina na ho me person kan yeah.
Ti faten tonte ya no msa na e fa dwen.
Okay ti. Posty Africa the mema Jimmy Dean was it in tonte there be one mama buade na si enye 10 tonte ni me show hansa mama.
Nani one aka 10 tonte.
O ka 10 tonte na after the one
there be 2 10 tonte. Na dia bi se one say the first way. Yeah, you way.
Posty Africa the mema Jimmy Dean was it in tonte my wuche chili in and the rap not to see so with him suck posting bring I be the G show my salute to me master ARD why I'm putting your faster boy you the B what's it okay you come out you talk came out with a couple of years something come number about fresh in your ears then I open cook and a beer can I mental mark cause you can never say trust me watching out the tree cola busako for no my joe me my freeda the year she come na besaso boka men can show na me the chanika I'm so sorry forget the past I made you so worry my saba back and fair before sorry by enya come na feed them beg or the from ahomachi wanna catch you
I can't intro
okay you come your team that make me aka say make me want you some matter say okay you go ya ho
I know some header
o be ka say ya ho yanko hwe you go ya ho Debbie man to aso ma fi me brand and kill me vim
okay
you go ya ho Debbie
Mama make
you go ya ho oh
ya ho
okay you go ya ho you go be ya ho you go see ya ho na ya do ya ho
na ya do
ya ho see
do ya ho
you go ya ho you go be ya ho you go see ya ho na ya do ya ho na ya do ya ho
what it's another rap
na some the ABCD na me ya rap
it's you go ya ho you go see ya ho ya rap
na ya do ya ho
when kwa na ka me metime ya ko afia ho
David ACD then eko
ene ma akoso na rap we di abroso o se okoko pe no smas bi di kata han na no smas na say aye dey wo
yo but say me nko for ya I mean messages ni gusu ba me nko for ya dwempa mo ka say
rap
yes
na asofu die ne wo mpe
o me tu ni ya
obada ni ya na your friends say on po weja anyum Lord
Kenya says your sofo na se ko fichi am so munze ogusu sofo ba so tronom da any way otronom bi e ma beka kai me say e be hyewo se ben yes I didn't say Becca no be coffee jam na choma
asofu dem beba so nso de secretary dem ya pa treasure me hwes kasam so o aso dem no
akai na minute form
me si form kwabra no se krom ma se o se dan da bia me ka to se juma amanfo di won kan no o so mo de abampatam ha o
ende bebia
se wo mo se amanfo ehu wo mo pa wo ye nti kroma na bi beton yi man kofo se fun afi lo mo tonton sase
they are on the 1000 be twa boy bi wa
se fun no se de aba kroma na se we komo wo mo awo stores ne containers na wo mo nye badwuma koton ade wo mo no
mo stores ne kon esisi abonten
esisi kwa ho na mo stores no a wo mo nton ade wo mo no
onya moving kom
ebu onso waton ade no sabi na ne sika sema ya basa na bia waton ebu onso bia no ho mfa no wo fie ni ade no sa containers ni bi no ko fo bi okrom a ebu aba container na fo se bo ho for sale for rent
ebo bi di
container no obeka se nipa ne na dey rent kwabena esono nya nipa na dey rent nya nipa na dey na dey rent obi fufuro na dey rent
me se meti ase obesa o kire se te se me container si ho
ai
benya nko mu
dapi
ba ube nse for sale bo
ho
enya me
enya wa
obi na da bebo ho
ebia me na me da bebo ho bi so me nya busuani me nya wadanfo
na odi ye business
se na wo so tie
enti wo toma nipa na afa dia me na me ho abekere
na wo na ho akere because wo ble ma wo ne ba be pere ho
ade ankofo ye wo kroma
ade ankofo ye na dan obi di for sale ekobo obi container ho na wonim container na wo de bo ho no se na container no onim se maame minim ni wura na me so me fa na me de kono na so se container wo to se me
menton
container me se be he for sale na bo ho ni tim kwa me fi se wo ton ena te se ye duadua wa kwasi nipa no so eboa wo bo ye no ya container no wo mbo ho kan bo asase ho ka
ena so oton
eboa wo bo no
ade fa me ba mu hu se number ne bo ho no ena mo frɛ
ena frɛ
mo frɛ se da mo to ana
ye to so wo ton
iti mo so share
ye to
ena ono bo ma
ena eboa wo bo ye no kwabena container wura no kura nton ne sa ha kura mu ha senya no kwa ba ko so me say ade amanfo ye wo containers ho abobato for say dia ba won munyai
asem o
me ka no kra container no nipa ne kwakwo kire container ne size no na wonyina ho wo ko fa weda ni dia besusu no
no njina
wo ko to blocks dia beto ase apagya container besusu no wonyina ho
so wo fosi abo ho
odi fosi abo ho fosi ne ntro yo wa print
na just any business o
wa print na eboa wa bo no kwabena woni wo bedi anu pe owi a wa ka kire wo se enipa aba ho nye nipa koto a nti ya ne ntem na fasika ne bra
enye so beton
na fa safa ne ma
ebasa na so twanema police
wo eti he sa kwa no
we e was nkofo da mo so ma fa this advice man nkofo me pa cho so hu se container bi si ba bi na for sale bo ho a wo fra nipa na tie ne kasa mu hu se opepre ne ho so
opepre ne ho pesika ne ntama firi ho no ma
enye ne dia na wa so container si ba bi a okọ ho a che me pa cho kohwe ho
ya tai kohwe ba bi a
for sale abo ho anya wo number
ana so bu otimi tro order
no wa frɛ number no
frɛ
dada no defe ne twa kotima no twa police man ne pa na ohu se sabi yo untimi ntra kroma fa wadwe ni di
and di
unim that thing is say oton so a o this kind of na abeye problem aga wa ye o dia no
na dia ha me kra no se dipa no unye ni pere busuani unnim ne ba bia te se otimi se hwe wa monitor wo se ade wa si achepa di no esi wacha na se nipa ni so mfa so nim fa so de bia e be fima ba na se
first for say me bon
o da be bon
ba nkofo you some adwi na just one time na just
obu ono bon so de bia wo twam de bi o monitor obu ono ma de bia wo kokrom wo steady ade wo krom
afa o dware na wa dress onko ya hwe obu o monitor nkofo se store we si ache na say 2 weeks me fa ha mbie ehun start bon futuro na ko about printing ne dey just nipa no
na ya print ya just ya
over 50%
ya just enti yesra mo am container sisi baby a mo jaye si won ya montan kwhwe baby asi montan check na san kwofo na wo mu decide wo de okon for sale no bo ho a wo de pick number no frɛ ene nkasa
na yesa da wo to no
hwe nipa ya funbo no ani masa wo ya kan se nipa no kra watie kra mpo na asetre obasa so dia compatam ba bi foforo radio yiso dia kwa akire pa enti wa wo container no ya trofo sa ba frɛ na nipa ni nia no kama uyi aseme beto be se ne sika na ba ma beto
na all the police for alcohol
na muso mo ya sa de no munya na kwaya me fa so hu sa asem we no ade nti mo treke a ye be so be treke
ai be chill wa be ja hu bia no BBC no sa o de ne kwaya twenya no mo de na mam 10 years na ade no
da we se ya bo mo ye wo di ka bo no bro na sa de ne duo
da be bo de ade pa yifrim
se
da ene de se o de mra ne show sa wanga sakra so be je
o de umbra no body nyansa What's that? BBC no who go mo.
Bobby wife no batambo o be on sase.
What's that BBC no? Who go mo? Show before. And to say no me headset na me nkyerɛ na. Akwa bia wo so ko bɔ na suma. Na oyo so jani nto obi ehu na wo mo asum ni bi.
Ba sase na hia me ba.
Ba akwa kyerɛ me sɛ de esi bɔ asum. Nti asum no. Oyo nsase ya ho. Na wabɔ. Aha no na fra magide.
What the two? Oh, but I say me hu hia me pa. Me pa cho that no boy bi je na no sa na me bɔ na asum. No o hye soja fo ata.
Wa hwɛ bi ani o.
Me bɔ no odwane ye.
Sɛ o je soja di.
Ya me hu se soja fo bebre na ye fake.
O be fake.
Me pa cho wo hye bi a bɔ no. Odwane a. Onya de dia.
Ono nya metemasa.
Ono nya metemasa. Ye ko fie. Ye frɛ me jeni we champion watching customers at the park. Ene be kai wona in fast that kesi so ma DJ Shabo. And I feel one day social media hineba. Who me come from Kobina Costi. Abrante part the perfect gents. Me koso ko the bomb sambrani football talk about you mo cha be wonya be me jame. Ikru abuji todi